You motherfuckers still $50.
I got Mikey with me for sure.
Let's go. Got my confidence up, I got slide by Noah. He got me shining like mineral oil. Put me in the dough with my Tyson boys. Let's go. Looking like I just won an award. The way that I'm chopped, I should go out on tour. I did it by myself like an entrepreneur. I know that she bad, that's the reason she spoiled. She liking me cause I'm chopped up by Noah.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah. I'm just now getting up. It's like 10 o'clock, but I just got up probably like 30 minutes ago. I'm trying to catch Chick-fil-A breakfast before it stopped. I know it's probably gonna get dark. But yeah, I'm at Chick-fil-A getting this breakfast bowl.
They got a sausage bowl?
Yeah. You too. Basically, I'm finna show you guys what you should do, what I do as a barber on his off day. I actually got 2 off days, which is, come on, bro, god damn. So my off days are Sundays and Monday. Today is Monday. Majority of the time, my Sundays is just for me to rest, catch up on some sleep, watch some TV, eat some food. Mondays, I kind of try to be more productive, do things I need to do to prepare me for the week. What I'm gonna do next really doesn't consist of me trying to look the part. So yeah, I'm getting out this raw footage. Okay, YouTube, so I just got done eating my Chick-fil-A. I'm watching a little bit of this Melly case, but I'm still finna go ahead and still do what I said I was gonna do after I finish. Next y'all gonna see me in the mound washing my car. All right, so I'm here, I'm finna wash my car real quick. Inside dirty, just a little before. I ain't washed it in about a month, for sure. Over a month, really. Brake dust all over my rims. They supposed to be bronze. Finna get this boy right though. Perfect.
Know what we doing, man. How we get there? Straight A, recipe 10, man. You know what I'm saying? Most search, man. We out, man. Summertime.
Yeah, Sersky. You need to wash these motherfuckers, bro. Yeah, who?
We got John on this stove in it. I'm just gonna drop this shit off.
I'm finna go to the crib. Hop in the shower real quick.
What you do with it?
Yeah, the crib. I ain't fucking with this 5.0 though. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back at the crib. I just got out the shower. It's nighttime now. I've been chilling at the crib, stuff like that. So, what I was trying to show y'all. Oh yeah. Man, look at my fucking closet. Man, bruh, I got so much fucking shit. I'm talking about I got shoes in that back corner behind these boxes. Shoes on the floor, clothes everywhere. New clothes. I came in here to really show you guys these. I'm giving this clipper away to one of my subscribers. There's also a follower on Instagram. To enter the giveaway, what I want you guys to do for these clippers, these low pro FXs by Babyliss, is in the comment section below, let me know what type of videos you would like to see from me. Make sure you're a subscriber too. And I want you to screenshot your comment. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, SliceGod LilNoah. It's SliceGod LilNoah on everything. Make sure you follow me on IG. Then send a screenshot from this YouTube video of your comment to my DM. Everybody that did it right, I'm write your name down on some paper, shake it up in a basket or shake it up or something to make it random. And I'm picking name, sending these clippers off to somebody with no hesitation. Soon I get to 2,000 subscribers too. This one I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and it's not too far soon if I keep dropping videos. So y'all go do that. Y'all tap in. We're gonna have more giveaways. The more y'all help me grow, the bigger the giveaway gonna be. I might give out a car one day. It might be a long time from now, but I might do it. You know what I mean? Since I ain't do everything I wanted to do today, cause after I washed my car, bro, I was tired as fuck. Like, super tired. I'm gonna pick the camera up back tomorrow. I might show y'all some haircuts, and I'm gonna do the rest of the stuff I had wanted to show y'all. Pick up the camera in the AM. See y'all tomorrow.
You motherfuckers still feet on
She liking me cause I'm chopped up by Noah. I keep you peanuts, you water than oil. You can get put in the dough by LilNoah. On money 100, he cleaning the chores. I wrap it up like some fours. Booking appointment or go